Hello everybody, this is Trent Smith at the National Weather Service in Missoula, Montana, doing the fire weather briefing for Thursday, October 11th. Well, let's just start off here. Right now we're actually under kind of northwesterly flow, keeping things a little bit cool today. I think we're just a few degrees below seasonal, kind of northwesterly winds mixing down to the surface during the afternoon, evening hours, but that'd just be for a brief period. A whole lot not going on at the moment. Then we'll actually see some weak ridging through the Friday time frame. Again, a little bit more warming, a little drier. The winds become a little bit more westerly. Right up here in British Columbia, that's the little disturbance that we're going to have to be looking out for come Saturday time frame. It's going to come sliding down along the divide, cause us to be significantly cooler on Saturday. Most of our valley locations will probably only be in the 40s across western Montana, probably in the 50s, maybe low 60s for north central Idaho time frame. This system is going to be bringing a little bit of precipitation associated with it on that Saturday. But again, the best precip is going to be along the divide and maybe a little bit in the Clearwater, Bitterroot range over into southwest Montana. But again, I think the best shot to precip is going to be right along the divide, especially across Glacier Park. With the system being so cool, we'll probably see snow levels drop to about 5,000 feet. So here's kind of the snow that we're expecting across the area. The mountains probably 1 to 2 inches, maybe a little bit higher for the higher peaks. And then, like it says, Glacier Park is probably going to get the hardest hit. We're expecting about 3 to 5 inches at Marias Pass, and maybe the peaks around it getting a little bit more than that as this whole system moves through the area. Another concern with this is that the winds will be quite gusty and out of the northeasterly during the day on Saturday, especially those canyons that are prone to easterly winds. Be quite breezy. So it's kind of a cool, breezy, raw day with precip along the divide on Saturday. After that system, we're actually looking at a ridge of high pressure, fairly strong ridge, building over the area through at least mid to late part of next week. We'll see temperatures just steadily rise, be probably above normal. We'll probably be back up into the 60s, but by about the Tuesday time frame and the latter part of the week, relative humidity will be dropping. So a nice long period of dry conditions for burning is possible for next week time frame. After that, it's a little unsettled, but it should still remain relatively warm compared to what we've been experiencing the past several weeks. So a good burn window is opening up next week. So if you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call here at the office or attend our next briefing.